Looking to level up your fitness journey? AI's got your back. Imagine a workout plan tailored just for you, designed by artificial intelligence. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future is now. AI in fitness is like having a personal trainer in your pocket. It learns from your progress, adapts to your needs, and keeps you motivated. No more one-size-fits-all routines. AI creates workouts that match your goals, whether it's building strength, losing weight, or improving endurance. Here's the best part. AI workouts are super flexible. Short on time? No problem. AI can design quick, effective sessions that fit your schedule. Need a challenge? Your AI buddy can ramp up the intensity and push you to new heights. And it's not just about workouts. AI can help track your nutrition, monitor your sleep, and even suggest recovery tips. It's like having a fitness team dedicated to your success 24/7. So, why wait? Embrace the power of AI and maximize your gains. Your best self is just a smart workout away. Subscribe and get ready to conquer your fitness goals. Let's do this.